The month of December is National HIV/AIDS Awareness Month, and today Geisinger's Ryan White HIV program collaborated with the PA Thrive Partnership to display a panel of the AIDS Memorial Quilt at the Geisinger Medical Center in Danville. The AIDS Memorial Quilt in its entirety contains more than 48,000 panels commemorating more than 110,000 people. Fox 56's Alicia Hercules got an up-close look.
This quilt was originally designed to honor those who lost their lives to HIV and AIDS and raise awareness about the diseases to hopefully lessen the stigma. The idea for the quilt originated in November of 1985 by Cleve Jones, a longtime human rights activist who wanted to honor several lives lost as the HIV/AIDS pandemic claimed more lives. On October 11, 1987, the quilt made its debut on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. For infectious disease specialists like Daryl McBride, this quilt symbolizes growth and progress in the fight against HIV and AIDS.
This is, again, just the physical manifestation of that hard work. The fact that we have been able to get this quilt here to show off the wonderful work that a lot of our PA institutions have been doing to stamp out HIV as a disease.
Patches on the quilt feature loving messages created by people who lost a loved one to the diseases. Some patches even include personal items of their lost loved one. Geisinger's Ryan White program, named after an HIV/AIDS activist who became infected with AIDS after receiving a blood transfusion, provides resources and care for people living with HIV and their families. After years of research, several drugs like PrEP have been created to reduce one's chances of contracting HIV, and medications that can reduce the amount of the virus in your blood, making the virus undetectable.
If we can get everyone with HIV that is in the community tested, knowing their status and in care and their virus under control, they're not going to be passing it to other folks. And if we can get whoever is at risk for HIV on PrEP, we can reduce the amount of new infections happening.
Although HIV has become a more manageable disease with medical advancements, officials with PA Thrive say it's important to get tested for HIV and AIDS, especially if you're at higher risk to contract the disease.
And we want to make sure that people understand that HIV and AIDS is still a thing that is real, and they need to be screening if they put themselves at risk, because it's medication and treatment for you to be able to live healthy.
Reporting in Danville, I'm Alicia Hercules with Fox 56 News, First at 10.
PA Thrive has the HIV/AIDS quilt panel on display tomorrow in Williamsport at the River Valley Health and Dental Center.